GODLIKE POWER Technology Co. Limited is a real professional manufacturer of diesel generator sets, synchronous brushless alternators, and silent canopy. We collect research, development, production, and marketing together. Our workshop covers over 2,000 square meters and supply capacity can over 8,000 sets of diesel generator per year. We are located in Jiangdu, Yangzhou. It is a long history and famous city. Jiangdu is next to the Ningqi Railway, Jinhu Highway, Yangzhou, Taizhou Airport. The traffic here is very convenient. Welcome to visit our factory. We are Cummins, Perkins, Volvo, Lovell, Doosan, Yuchai, SDEC, Weichai, Ricardo, and Yangdong partner factory. At the same time, we are also the partner factory of Stamford, Marathon, Mech Alta alternators. The power range of our diesel generators are from 5 kV amps to 3000 kV amps. We have open frame type, normal silent type, super silent type, trailer silent type, rainproof type, container silent type, automatic type, synchronization type, and remote controlling type. We have our own technical team which can make the real customized. The diesel generator we produced are widely used in industry, commercial, army, real estate, hospital, hotel, railway, and mining. Where needed, we are there. GODLIKE can give you a bright world. Continuous improvement, practicality, and innovation is GODLIKE's persistent pursuit. Creating value for the users is the purpose of our company. GODLIKE will try its best to provide first-class products and high-efficient services for customers from home and abroad.